live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Let's do our daily sound test. I want to talk into air. 1, 2, 3. No, that seems a little low. Let's bring it up to here. Oh, no, that's too high. This looks just about right. There we go. Now let's get rid of the echo so we don't drive you guys crazy. Okay, we're at 19945. Let's take a look at what happened overnight after we finished trading. Let me connect. A little slow here again this morning. What else is new, eh? Accounts had a good evening last night trading with Joker. For the amount of trades we get, 168. I'm happy with that. Can't complain. I thought it was higher. Let's connect their strategies. Oh, it's true. Okay, I gotta put 2 more up. I gotta put them over here, actually. Strategies, bear with me. We're getting there. We're getting there. Bum. This one and this one. Okay, we're all ready to go. Shit, we missed a couple of really good trades. That one was a winner. That one was a winner. That one was a winner. But on the other hand, this one was a loser. This one was a loser. And let's see what this one brings us. My coffee's cold. I'm not happy. Someone go heat it up for me. What's the volume? 387,000. That's pretty good. Volatility, 9 points. That's pretty good too. 15-minute chart. Oh, boy. Joker was right. He said he expects a down day. Well, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. I'm expecting a down day too. It is... We're trading below previous day's low. We're trading below VWAP. We're obviously trading below previous day's close. If we're trading below the previous day's low, you can't be below the low but above the close, right? So, let's see. I said I would use the trade copier today. Let's just make sure I don't have an instance open. Control Center Analyzer account. No, we're good. I'm going to have to use it carefully. Because the trade copier fucks up a lot. Okay. Markets are opened. So, I'm bearish. Let's see what we get. Let's start off with a 4 lot. Let's get to positions to make sure we have both. We don't have both. Stupid. Already stupid. First mistake already by the trade copier. Oh, wonderful. The trade copier went long on the other one. Go explain me that. Short on one, long on the other. Well, now we're just hoping that it can catch up. You know what? Flatten everything. To hell with it. To hell with it. Let's try again. I swear to God, this trade copier is a fucking joke. Let's try again. Sell ask. 4 lot. Short and short. There we go. Let's see what we get. Come on, go down. Ding, you got a message. Lower my size a little bit if possible. No. Gotta get out. Out and out. Perfect. Order canceled. Okay. I got one more trade. Let's get to the 1 minute chart and see what's happening. That's a pretty strong open, actually. We just broke above the 1 minute high. Interesting. Let's see what these candles bring us. Wow, that's nuts. I'm going to trade copy or go short on one and long on another. Someone want to explain that to me? Okay, that was a strong move up. What are we at? We are at 16 points. Near those swing lows. I mean swing highs. He didn't fill me. Push. Okay, so we have a 5 and a 10. Everything is good. I'm not really... wait, hold on. Let me see. No, I don't have a perfect entry. My price is a little off, so I'm going to try and get out. My price was a little bit off. It wasn't so good. Oh, but look at that. I didn't see that. So let's see if we can get up to 38 bid now. 38 bid. I'm long at 26. That's a 12-point winner. 38 bid. Come on, it's not too hard. 38 bid. 26, 25, 23. You're going the wrong way. I'm long at 26. Good morning, James. I want to see 38 bid. Can you give it to me? I'll get out there for the first one, take out a winner, even though 38 bid's probably going to come. There you go, 38 bid. Should have hung on. Started off with a bearish bias, but. We've switched along. I'm going to try something just as a trade copier test. I'm going to take a 1 lot here at 31 if I can get it. There we go. That's 31. 1 and 2. Okay, so maybe the trade copier just needed to warm up. Let's get above 38 bid again. 34, 33, 35. Wrong way. I have to get out. Okay, trade copier worked. I tried. But that was a bit of a test of the trade copier. That's a late entry. That's a late entry. Late entries are costly. Why did that happen? That's my entry. Let's go. Push up 40, 35, 33, 36, 35, 33, 32, 35. Okay, had to get out. Why? Because that trade actually got stopped out. I did have my chance to make money. I blew it with a late entry, but that's okay. Managed it well. Is my strategy set up? No, it's not. Let's get to template. Load, morning, apex. Make it a 5 lot. Choose the right account. And okay, and enable. Perfect. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's break above. Push. Make new US session highs. Wrong way. New US session highs. Lower the size. Check my positions. Make sure we are long and long. Perfect. Not long and short. Stupid trade copier. Don't take me out. Not on the ad. Come on. Go back up to 38. I'm watching carefully. And I do want to go see my... I'm going to have to get out. I'm hanging on. Oh, there we go. Let's go. I'll take it. That was supposed to be a losing trade. How are we doing on the algo? Okay, the algo is going to take... Oh, no. The algo needs to be reset. There we go. The algo is ready to take a long trade. And we might get an entry for the 3rd time at the same price. Not crazy about that. Not crazy about that. Come on, push now. Let's get above. There we go. There we go. Okay. I was on the wrong chart. I couldn't even see it properly. Okay, I'm going to take my hand off the mouse for a little while. Not too long, but for a little while. See what else we can do. Positions is flat. That's good. Trade copier, except for the first trade. So far, working well. James G is in the house. That's always good. There we go. Try to get in at 50. I have a tight stop on this. No, don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. Oh, well. Oh, well, oh, well. Wow, is it possible? So we're not getting much follow through. Maybe that's because the range is only 20 on each 1 minute candle. Down $8 and up 72. That's crappy. Apex is long. I mean, Ninja is long, but Topstep is not long yet. Like I said, you get a lot more false signals on Ninja, which is why I prefer the Topstep charts. But let me take a 2-lot based on the Ninja, and I'll add if Topstep goes long. And if it takes money from me, stops me out, so be it. But it'll give me a better entry if Topstep goes long. Topstep will go long at 59 bid. And ooh, we hit it, but we didn't stay. There we go. Now let's get to 66. 66 on the offer. Come on, push it. No, not 57. 54. Wrong way, boys. Another crappy loser. It's going to be one of those days. Thank God I'm managing them well. Let's see if we can, there we go. Let's see if we can improve our price. There we go. Now let's see 66 bid at an improved price. I'm long at 50. I'll take one piece off there if it works. Perfect. And I'll hold on for 66 on my next one. Come on, 66. I need 66. No, I said I need 66. You're going the wrong way. 46. Ah, you bugger. I got to get out. Whew. Okay, I was down $8. So that was a loser, and I'm down $10. I lost $2. I love it. Yeah, you're going to go up again, eh? Serious? Bouncing around at the U.S. session highs. Consolidating and bouncing within a 15-point range. Dangerous for me, so maybe now is a good time. We just made a new swing high, though. That's interesting. So that's confirmed. That's the chalk, the boss, the breaker structure that everyone looks at. But if I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, there is nothing to be excited about here. We're still under everything. This is just one candle in a downtrend. We're not even close to VWAP. And we're under the previous day's low. We got to keep that in mind, eh? Boop. Somebody took a trade. My algo took a trade. Let's go watch it. Let's go watch the algo trade. The profit target is about 18 points, so that's about 70. Let's go algo. Come on, get over 60. 60 is proving to be a little bit of a bugger, eh? Really? How'd that happen? Well, hopefully we make another run for the U.S. session highs. Let's go. Let's get up to, what do I need to get up to? 51, sort of. Let's see a quick 51. 46, 49, 50. I want to lighten up. I don't like my position. Otherwise, I'm going to get my clock cleaned. Somebody's long that's not supposed to be long. Close position. Okay, so we'll watch the algo. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I gotta say, for what the charts are delivering for me, I'm doing phenomenal. Whoa, 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 whoa. This one's gotta hang on. At what time is that? 9:46? Seriously? I got stuck on another rug pull in the wrong direction. You know what I'm noticing? These rug pulls are always on the short side. Anyways, gotta let the algo do what the algo's gonna do. Today the algo loses, tomorrow the algo makes money. Let's go. Let's get back up though. Let's have a small loss, or at least as small as possible. Another 17 seconds, and it's gonna pull the plug on this trade. So if we lose less than 200 bucks, I'll be happy. Come on, push higher, 9 more seconds. No, higher. Let's get up to 40. 12 points. Remember, the budget was 20 points on this. Okay, it's out 20 points. Times 5 is 200. It's lost 80 bucks. 80 bucks more than it should have. Wow, it's amazing how often that happens. Once a day almost. No, sorry. That happens once a day. Guaranteed now. And often that's happening 2-3 times a day. Okay, I got one more trade on these accounts, and then I'm going to rotate. If it's a loser. How's the algo doing? Well, the algo's still ahead, but not much. $50,000 and $63, so it's up $63 overall. I need a rear view mirror. Okay, we gotta wait for our next trade. Let's break 19,800. ACH, anything can happen. We don't know what's going to happen. Sellers are trying. Let's get down to 19,800. That's where I'll cover. Good enough. I got to reevaluate. Oh, I'm going to get a trade. Shit, damn. At 03. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. See? I'll tell you guys what's happening. What's happening? I'm missing the entries. It's moving fast. And then I'm FOMOing in late, which is increasing my risk and decreasing my potential profit. That's my mistake. And then I'm fixing it by exiting quickly. So what looks like very poor trading, and is actually very poor trading, is me recovering from my mistakes. So it's time to take a break. Not a long break, just a little break, just to calm down, get the FOMO out of my system. Not even look The markets will reset, and you can see I trade often. There's going to be a lot of trades. I don't need to worry that I'm going to miss the one trade of the day. Ooh, nice dump again. Nice dump. I don't think I want to take the next bullish candle. Maybe two. I'll take a pop when I get two bullish candles if we get that. What are we doing on the daily, actually? Let's take a look. Coming back. Gold still popping higher, 3,400. That's nice. Bernucci. $23-point range. Making new US session lows. Let me go to the 15-minute. Like I said, we never traded above the Asian session highs on the overnight. Actually, almost never even got above VWAP, so that's quite bearish. Also, given the fact that we're trading below previous day's low, not a good sign for the bulls. But that doesn't mean that we're going to go down 7,000 points. I mean, you know, just looking at the daily here, we can go down to comfortably 19,671. It's just a tiny little, it's a bull flag actually on the daily. So no need to panic yet. Let's see what happens in the next couple of days. I don't have an opinion of whether we're going to head higher or lower. This could be... that could have been just a bounce. Then we continue lower. I mean, the 50 is under the 100 moving average. Again, here this is a daily chart that I'm looking at. 50 is under the 50 moving average is under the 100. The 100 is red. We're under the 200 also, which is the gray one. Let's see what it gives us. But we're above the 50. So that's encouraging. Let's see if it holds. Or if it was just a 2 or 3 day pop above the 50. Well, the algo is going to attempt to short next. I'm going to let it go. I'm dedicating that account to it. Just to remind you guys, I missed a grand slam of a trade. It was Friday. I was going to the dentist. I didn't run the algo on my account. That was the only day I didn't run it. And it hit like I think an 80-point trade or something like that when it was Only supposed to, pull out 20 points because it goes on the ATR, the profit target's based on the average true range, and it's only one average true range. And of course, the one day I pull it off the chart is the day the candle just, because it doesn't get out of the trade as soon as it hits profit target. It waits for the candle to close. And that was an insane candle down, so I missed it. My account would have been like $600 higher now. The 50K account. I don't know, I'm thinking, should I try this? Let me try this for a 2-lot. And let me check my positions. It's going strong, so I'm saying this is going to stop out probably. If I can get 30, 40 bucks, a 2-lot, even 20 is good. 19. I had it. I had almost 30 there. Adding 30 to the booty is better than adding a loser to the booty. Okay, it should have gone by now. Whoop. Someone sent me a message. What? Oh my God. Serious? Well, maybe that's why, James, if you can hear me, maybe that's why gold is running so strong. Based on that video you sent me. Well, it's looking like this trade would have worked out, but I didn't have confidence in it because it didn't go right away, but I'm seeing something else that you guys aren't seeing, and topstep charts are short at 68. If I can get in the 70s, I'll take it. 70, 71, 73, 72, 75, that's pretty good. I have 4-lot, a little bit less. I'm supposed to be trading 1-lots actually, by the way, just to let you all know. Yeah, I was talking about your Warren Buffett thing, the de-dollarization. Maybe that's why gold is moving so strong. Dollar's weakening, gold goes up. Well, today's price action is not making it easy on me, eh? Like I said, I like for things to move right away. And I'm not getting that, which is making me get out of my trades. I don't care, because my job is to, what's the word? Not reduce risk. No one wants to be in the dollar anymore. Well, my son's going to Florida on Friday. He has to buy dollars. Maybe that'll move the market. He's going to buy about $100 in US dollars. You think that's going to move the market? You think we're going to see a spike in the US dollar? Buy Bitcoin. Someone told me it's going to 100,000. Yes, everybody. I'm joking. Someone didn't tell me it's going to 100,000. I don't even know what it's at now, to be honest with you. I don't follow Bitcoin. James is my Bitcoin tour guide. He lets me know what it's at. Are you still trading, James, right now? Right now? Like right now at this moment, 10 o'clock? Or you're just twiddling your thumbs? 93. If you're twiddling your thumbs, you want to come on the, in the mood to come on the channel? If you're bored? Are we going for coffee again today? I'm not 100%. Oh, okay. I don't even know what day it is. You know what? We went for the coffee yesterday, and now I'm all confused. I think it's Wednesday today. You know what'll make you 100%? A coffee at Carrefour. I pick you up. I got work to do, but there's plenty of time in the day to do the work later, right? Besides, I'm not streaming in the evening today, so I'll do my work later. $10. Are we getting the 10 o'clock 10 o'clock bounce? What do they call it? 10 o'clock reversal? 1 minute after. It comes between 9:50 and 10:10. Other people call it the macro. Hey, it's true. I forgot. Okay, well, boom. I was going to say that topstep is still kind of short, but not anymore. Topstep is now switched to long bias. Really? So you're telling me also the algo? Oh, no, the algo can still go short. Didn't get above the... Ooh, the candles are big today. I can get kind of... Anyways, no, I'm not going to say that. Sorry, I was going to say something, but I'm not going to say it. The algo will do well in the long run. I fully believe that. And to allocate one account, not the end of the world, right? See how it does. So the algo will go short on a bearish candle, on a down candle. What do you even call that? Bearish candle, down candle, red candle. I call it a bearish candle. Oh yeah. Did we convert? No, we didn't. We didn't switch to a long bias on the Ninja Trader Renko charts. But we did switch to a long bias on the top step charts. Only the short term, not the higher time frame. So that could be a kind of false signal, maybe. Who knows? Let's see what the next few candles will bring. I mean, the 10 o'clock reversal, the one that I know, is never that significant. So that looks like, you know, could have played its course with what we've done already on the 1 minute chart. $82 and $96, I'm going to get an entry to the long side. But I'm going to try and get a better price. Once it triggers at 96, I'm going to try to get in at 92, 93, somewhere around there. Got my finger on the buy bid. It's gone. Went without me. That was quick. Let me try a 93 entry. Maybe I can pull out 5-6 points before it stops out. I'm watching the stop very closely. 92, 97. That's 5 points. I'll take 5 points on a trade that I missed. I'll take 5 points on a trade that I missed. Oh, I think my mic just said, I said I'll take 5 points on a trade that I actually missed any day. Click the like button, guys. It's always fun to see some likes up on the board. Should I try again? Oh, I missed it. I had a chance. In the low 90s, 93. Oh, it's a little late. Let's try again. What am I long? I'm long at 94.50. 96. Let me see 98. I should put in the offer because he could just spike in and come right back down. No, wrong way. Oh, gotta get out. So I think I made 50 and lost 50. Okay, break even. That's so funny. That is so funny. I think the algo is going to go short. We're going to see. When this candle closes in 33 seconds, if it's a bearish candle, the algo is going short. Thank you for telling me. How many times that happens, I can't tell you. I was saying nice move. One, I was saying thank God my algo didn't go short. It didn't miss a trade. It didn't identify the trade as a short, but it could have. It was close. Needed just a couple of more points lower, and it would have identified a short trade over here on this candle. Hold on, let me change my cursor right there. That is where my algo would have gone short if certain conditions were met. And thank God, because it would have been another loser. But that's why the algo didn't take the trade, because it wasn't a short entry. So it called it right. Oh, I thought you were leaving. Still running, still running. Look at that. 10 o'clock reversal is shown to be strong. We make a run now for VWAP in the U.S. session highs. That's possible. I mean, anything is possible, but that's what I'm guessing is the magnet right now. VWAP is the blue dash line. You know, it'd be cool if the indicators actually had a label to identify it. So when I tell you we're heading towards VWAP, you know that VWAP is my dash blue line. Because you don't know. You guys can think that's a moving average, and VWAP is on another chart, or it's not even on my chart. I'm just talking out of my ass. Okay, I'm guessing I'm going to have a trade over here, a long entry. It's not my favorite one. Wow, this one was close. Such a close call, but you know what? When they're close calls, you can't take them. They have to be clear as day. And now the next trade that my algo would contemplate is a long. That's why the background got painted in blue here. It's identifying that the momentum is shifted to the upside. It doesn't indicate strong momentum though. Wouldn't it be good if someone can use AI to develop an indicator that can show speed? Huh? Huh? Well, only someone can work on an indicator that shows speed. Come on, give me an entry. Take my hand off the mouse. I got nothing right now. I got nothing. I need to see a little bit of a pullback. And by a little bit, I mean about 1 ATR, 16 points, something like that. The ATR right now is 16.85 on the 1 minute chart. I use a 6-period ATR because I want to know what's going on. In the recent future, or in the recent past. I'm not interested in looking back to 9 o'clock. Because I'm not trading 9 o'clock candles, I'm trading 10, 13 candles. You know what I'll do? I'll take it for 2 lots. See, I can't keep sizing down. The need for speed. I'm sizing down, and I'm hitting my winners with that, and then I size up. If I potentially hit my losers when I size back up to the proper size, that skews my results. But anyways. For now, for one trade. I don't even know why, but let's get a little lower. That's where I'll enter there, too. I'm going to get, hopefully not stuck in another rug pull. Now that I'm long, I'll add on the next candle down, and I'll exit on the third candle, if that's what happens. There we go. So I can get out a little piece there, reduce my risk, have a better price, and if I get a full candle up, there we go. Let's just stretch it out, pop. There we go. Okay, so that helps. Everything helps, right? Good trade. I didn't maximize the trade, but I'm going to have to enter now a full 5 lot. Because top step is long at 31, I'm long at 29, only 2 points better, and it's coming down 21. That's 10 points. I'll try to get out before it stops me. Wow, I'm catching all the losers on the top step charts. Let me lose, blah blah blah. Ooh, I don't like it. Get me out. Let me lighten up my size. I think that did good for me, but I just don't like the price action. Let me go back down. I'll get back into this trade because it hasn't hit profit target 31. If I can get in at like the mid-20s, that would be phenomenal. It's long at 31, just to let you know. 31, 31. At 38, I can't do anything anymore. 38, the trade's gone. 36, 38, that's it. It's done. It's done. It's done. I tried. Anyways, I pulled some out of it. It was fun. I had fun. That's what matters. I'm laughing. I had fun. Let's take a quick look at... Oh, I don't have to. It's true. I keep forgetting. I have my algo chart on another screen as well. But anyways, if we would have had 2 down bars, the algo could have gone long over here, but we didn't have 2 down bars, so algo didn't go long. And now we're going to catch another big move up. Now's when we go tap into VWAP. Look like it. Finally, my coffee warmed up. It's an ugly rainy day here where I live. Oh, it's too bad. It's too bad. It's too bad I couldn't get filled at the mid-20s. I would have been happy with that one. It was only going to be a 2 lot, but it would have added another $20, $30 on the small account and double that. Like $20, $30 plus $40, $60 is like $100. Keep popping out those $100 bills. That's what I'm trying to do. And then eventually it'll be there we go. There's the push through VWAP and the US session highs, and all the stops got hit. You can see that candle. Now what we do here, I can tell you, that this is where I lose money. Taking trades near VWAP. So I'm on break right now. That's not a bad trade for a 2 lot right there. I could have done that. I got distracted. Would have had 8 points on that. That would have been $32 plus that would have been 90, almost $100. Well, missed it. My fault. Looked away. Somehow I'm always looking away. You know what? Before I look away from the charts, I should actually take a scan. Like before I play with my browser or my settings or whatever, I should take a scan of the charts and see if it's coming close to a setup that I want to take. Damn, I have a long here right now at 866. But I can't take it. It's right on VWAP. Right on VWAP, right near the US session highs. I think it's asking for trouble. There are a lot of traders out there who can find a reason to sell into this. Doesn't mean they will, but they can find a reason to sell into it. Let's break away from VWAP and then the next. Oh, I'm going to try something actually. It's going to suck, but... Wow, there's the break. Two. Two. Okay. would have taken that for a small piece a little lower, but didn't go low enough. Let's see, can we break higher? Make new US session highs again? Can we have a rug pull to the upside? 89. Let's shoot up to the high 90s. Get close to 19,900. That would make sense. 92. I'll offer it 96. I'll hit this. I'll ask. 92, 96. I missed it. I missed it. I think I got 94. Oh, wow. We're back down to the 80s. Do I try again? Sure, why not? I think it'll go again. 91, 92, 93. Yeah, take another one. That's not bad. Give me another shot. 87, I'll take it. 88, 89, 90. I'll do it 3 times. 3 times charm. 89, 88, 87. Let's shoot up into the 90s again. 90, 91, 92, 92, 93. Okay, a little bit. Every time a little bit. Wow, I could have caught a lot of bit on that one, eh? We are solidly above VWAP now. Not only 2 candle closes, but look at the extension. We didn't even, from the time we broke, we closed above VWAP. We never even traded below the low of a previous candle. So that's a good indication that VWAP is gonna hold for now. And maybe the next target is the London session highs, which is right around previous day's low. But we do have the Asian session lows to also take care of. Let's put in a line over there just to mark it off so we know that's the Asia session lows. I don't like the color. I don't like the color because blue doesn't talk to me. Doesn't tell me anything based on my colors. Gray will tell me something. Gray will tell me that it's based on the Asian session, because that's what I use for the Asian session. There we go. Needs to be lighter gray. While I'm waiting for my next trade. Let's get a light gray. 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 As gray as can be. There we go. Shit. I'm long at 99. I thought I had a better price than that. I thought I had a better price than that. So I'm getting out. No, it'll be a really good entry on this trade, 95. There we go, 96. Even if it stops out, this is a really good entry. And that's what I like. That's the most important thing. Not whether you stop out, but fighting for price and getting a good entry. Watching closely to see if I get stopped out. Long at 95. Oh, look what I see. This could be an expensive trade if we roll over. But it is what it is. I have to get out. That bearish candle take me out at a better price. If you lose less when you have losing trades and you make more when you have winning trades, then you're playing the game right. That was a losing trade for me. And I managed to minimize the damage, which was good. I don't know really how much I minimized the damage by, but I know for sure I did. Catching quite a few losers today. So the fact that I'm green is very positive. Because I'm looking here at the charts and oof, it's stringing up some losses. I can tell you that. Let me take a look at how many losses since the open. Give me a second. So we had one winner, two winners, three winners. Now I'm counting the losses. One loser, two loser, three loser, four loser. Only five losers. Not too bad. Not too bad, five losers. And while I'm waiting for the next trade, let me count the winners. Should be around 70%, so maybe 14. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 winners. So it's around 66% right now. Normally it's 70%. Last night was 70%. Trying to get back in on a long. Wanted a better price than the top of this blue candle. That's why I only went in for a 3 lot. Boop! The algo is long. Let's take a look. There we go. Yeah, so let's go algo. Nice. Let me take a piece off over here since we're watching the algo. I don't want to have long the algo and long myself, and then if one loses, they all lose. Too many accounts to lose. But topstep is short, is long at 01. Wow. How can I not take a piece over here at 92? How can I not take a piece? It's giving me such a good price. A stop is like a hair breadth away. Yeah, 6 points away is the stop. Let's go. There we go. I gotta go to positions and make sure. Okay, so we're just watching the algo again. It would be so nice if we just explode higher. Let's go to the algo and see the lines. The take profit line. And the stop loss line. If it touches, well, it hasn't, not touched. It has to break the stop loss line. If it breaks, then it'll get out. Well, 2 algo losers back to back. I mean, it's sure it's possible, but surprising. Surprising. Oh, it hasn't broken it yet. 2 seconds, 1 second, boom. It's not going to take me out, no. So I'm saying to myself, just based on the algo, ooh, that's so close. I mean, talk about an entry. You almost don't even have a stop. Your stop is your entry. Shit. 80. I should have gotten in it when I had 15 insta points. Okay, well, we missed it, but I still want the algo to make money. I want my my account to make money, the algo. So let's go. Let's get up to, what number is this here? We got to break the U.S. session highs, that's for sure. Local, we got to get up to 916. That's 16.6. Oh, what? Okay, well, that's, I guess we did touch the line. Anyways, thank God it wasn't a loser. Remember what I said, how the algo works. If you touch the line, either the stop loss or the take profit line. Take profit is blue, stop loss is the orange line. If you touch it, you wait for the candle to close, you exit the trade. You don't exit the trade at your stop loss or at your take profit. So in this case, we lost a lot less. I guess it touched the line right there. That triggered the exit on close, and it did exit on the close. And it's too bad we touched it, because we're going up to the oh, really? That's kind of incorrect. Let me lighten up. I think that was a FOMO trade. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, so I just got out. How could you not be sure if that's a FOMO trade? That's a good question. Because I didn't really pay attention to what the official entry was at. The official entry was at 01. Okay, it was a FOMO trade. I entered in late. I got to get equal or better price. And wow, what a shame, man. Really? I got ticked out by a hair. Coming up to the Asia session lows. That's the gray line. Okay, it happens, right? That's trading, like in poker. Sometimes the guy has a Jack-4 and he beats you. Even though you had Ace-King. That's a decent trade right there if I can get filled. That's actually a great entry if I can get filled. That's a great entry. It's too bad I missed it. Shit, that's 10 points. Okay, goodbye. Order canceled. What can you do? That's what happens when you use limit orders to enter. Topstep is going to go long at 15. And I tried to get in at 97. That's 18 points worse. And then I'm going to enter. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart. Daily. Don't know what to say, really. It's a good thing I don't have to say anything. It's not my job to figure out where the market's going to go. It's my job to figure out what the market is doing and jump in on it. This is another entry. There we go. No, don't push down. Go back up. Okay, we're in minimized loss. Should have hung on a little bit more. But anyways, that was kind of like a full loss. Look, I'm going to bet 65, 70. On a bad day, 60. On a good day, 80, 90%. So I'm going to have losers. And like I said, today a lot of losers are stacked up on my entries. I'm actually going to do a count again. First, I'm going to mark in the line at 9:30. I'm curious to see what it's running at today. 9:16, 9:25, 9:30. There we go. Let's do a full count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 trades. Top step as long as it at 08. Ooh, I can get 8 points better. I'll take it. Ah, you pecker. 04. I can definitely take a 6 slot, so I'll take the lower one also if it gives it to me. This is trade number 18. Not for me, but for Top Step. I didn't take all the Top Step trades. I missed quite a few of them. Let's see the buyers come back in, push it higher. I reduced my risk, reduced my size. Now I'm hoping to see 15 bid. I'm watching Top Step. And then I'm going to count the accuracy after this trade closes out. 15. So I need to sell when it was 3 lots, sell 3, 15.50. That's where I should be targeting. All the way up there. And no, I don't put in my stop losses manually. That looks good enough for me. I'm happy with it. I know it wasn't my full target, but you know me, I never hold for full target. Oh, maybe I can get back in again at a cheap price. And, oh, got close to the 15. There's your full target. There we go. There's the full target. So, as always, I would have had full target. I need somebody beside me to force me to hold for full target. Okay, let's go count the winners. And then calculate the accuracy percent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 on 18. Oh, well, that's easy to calculate. 6, 12, 18. 66%. Just like before. Hasn't changed. Still running at 66%. Not hard to be green when you're running at 66%, especially if you're getting in better prices and making your losses smaller. But again, I still haven't traded enough accounts. Yeah, that's funny. I don't need that. Okay, what can we do? Oh, there was a trade there. I didn't even see it. Yes, yes, yes. I'll take in a 3 lot here. I'll go long 3 over there. Why? Because actually the system is long 3 right here at the top of this candle with the target for 2 bars higher. And since we didn't hit target, this trade is still live. So that's getting me in at a really good price. 8 points better. Doesn't mean I'll get it, but if I do get it, it's an excellent trade. And an easy way to scalp another $30, $40, $50 per account. Copying 2 accounts only. 1 account, actually. So it's 2 accounts trading. And we broke initial balance high, if you can see on the 1-minute chart. Closed above it once, went below, closed above it once, went below. Wow, that sounds like very familiar. We did that yesterday. Let's go take a look and see what happened yesterday. That's exactly what happened, if I remember correctly. Yeah, right over here. Broke above, came below, broke above, came below, then we traded lower. Then we went above, came below, traded lower. And then we finally took off. I'm curious to see if that's going to be the same pattern today. Let's get rid of that, because if it is the same, and often price patterns repeat themselves, that means we're going to broke above, came below, broke above, came below. Now we're going to drift lower. So I will take trades, but I'll take them initially, not when we come back. I mean, this one already ran quite a bit, and it's coming back, so I'm not eager to take it. James, if you're still around, let me know what time you want me to leave. And let me just check something. Close my mic here for a sec. Yep, all's good. Wow, he doesn't waste his time, huh? Hey. Done for the day? Yeah, I heard. I was in your room. I was smiling. I was smiling how quickly you exit. Okay, I'm going. Goodbye. Peace out. You know what? I find that to be one of the hard things to say goodbye. I drag it on, I think, too long. Got to do it your way. The finish way, yeah. Mine's too long. Because I feel bad. Even if there's nobody in the room, I don't know, I kind of feel bad a little bit, you know? Like, I feel like I'm throwing people out of my house. Okay, guys, supper's over. We had dessert. Get out. I want to go to bed. We don't have small talk here. I'm not kidding. Well, and that would be interesting to see how you pick up a girl in a bar if there's no small talk. Cut right away to the truth. Yeah, I was standing over there looking at you. You're hot. I'm attracted to you. What do you think? I think you're an old man with gray hair. Get out of here. We ask her, say, do you want to go to my place? You can't open with that. Hmm. Yeah, you can. That's right. You can say anything. You are right. Maybe I meant you shouldn't open with that. Oh, no kidding. Oh, 20K is a short. Yeah, 20K is always, well, a fade trade. Look how we just bounced off the Asia session low. That's that gray line on the 1 minute chart. I didn't ask, how was your day? I didn't really hear. I think if I heard, because I had you on, but I'm kind of also focusing on what I was doing. I think I heard you said you had Christmas colors today. A little good, a little bad. Better. Better is good. I traded, if you notice here, my PA accounts. I have 6 of them. Joker was saying that if you don't trade your PA accounts, Apex is canceling them. Canceling them. Canceling? Yeah, canceling them. And it's funny because he said it happened to someone he knows. I think it was his brother. But I found it weird because Woodchip also wasn't able to log on to his accounts anymore. He cleared it. He cleared it up. Eventually it got fixed. But I said, you know what? It happened to 2 people. I'm going to trade my PAs because they've been dormant for a long time. Yeah, I haven't been touching them. Oh shit, this is a trade. I mean, not oh shit, but it's a trade. Let's see if I can get my price. Put it in a limit order. See, I missed the trade. I missed so many trades. Maybe it'll come back. Yeah, so I said, you know what? I'm just going to take a couple of small trades in them. Really, I'm supposed to try and get them over 50. I think 50 is the is what they consider not flipping. Yeah. Yeah, but you trade them. I don't think I've traded mine for a long time. Okay, got my finger on the sell ask button just in case I get stopped out, which looks like it's going to happen. That's it. Come on, take me out. Go back up. Don't be aggressive to the downside. For second bar forms, I have to hit the close button. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hit the close button. Very good. Yeah, so that's what's happening with Apex. So I don't know. Like I said, I traded my PAs and we got back inside initial balance. And now, I don't remember if you heard how I ran my stats through ChatGPT and how it told me to trade my accounts, all of them, the PAs and the evals. Were you around for that? Anyways, regardless, I'll repeat it. If anybody's in the room. It said to copy trade 2 accounts, so 1 leader, two accounts, and it said that the size I should be using is a one mini, 10 micros. Yep. And the strategy was to rotate after a full loss. So you lead, let's say, with account number 1, you copy to account 2 and account 3, because I have 19 accounts. between the evals and the PAs. So you lead with account number 1, copy to account number 2 and number 3, and you trade until you have a full loss. And then you switch, and then it's account 4 is the leader, copying to account 5, account 6, and you rotate through the whole thing once in a day. That's it. You never come back to your accounts. So the most you can have is most I can have, not you, I always say you. Most I can have is 1 full loss in a group of 3 accounts. But if I hit like 5, 6, 7 winners in a row, which I do quite often, you milk it for that group of 3 accounts. And that's the strategy that it told me to do. So I'm trying to build up to it. It said a 1 lot, a mini. I'm doing 5 micros, and today I'm only copying to 1 account. And the problem is, unless I go red, I'm staying with it. I'm not rotating when I hit a full loss. If I'm still green or whatever, I still stick. So I've only done 2 accounts. I haven't rotated anything. The PAs, I didn't consider it a rotation because that was just me trying to log in activity on those accounts, just in case. But anyways, that's interesting. I'm going to try and get there. I'm working hard. I was telling, who was it? I don't remember. Stumpy. It's true. I even broke my promise to that. I said I was going to copy today to 2 accounts at 5 lots. And until I get better at rotating, I'm going to stick with doing that. So tomorrow for sure, copying to 1 leader plus 2 copy accounts. And once I get better at the rotation and I see what it looks like at 5 micros, I'll go to the 1 mini like it suggests. Actually, GPT said I can even go up to 2 minis based on my stats. I gave it my trading stats. The risk of ruin was still under 1%. But it recommended 1. For, believe it or not, psychological reasons. Would be easier to trade and stick to the rules and not make mistakes. It said if you take psychology out of it, if it was a machine, if you can program it to do it, then you can run it at 2 lots. But 1 lot will be easier on your psyche. Well, it really wasn't based on volatility. It was based on my results. I fed in my trading results. And it wasn't the algo, it's the Renko trading. I'm a 1 mini guy, but now trading with micros. Yeah, I want to get up to there. Hopefully by next week. Midweek, end of week. 1 mini, 1 leader, 2 copy accounts, and we'll see how it goes. But first I got to do it at 5. 5 seems to be, I've said it so many times, 5, 6, that's my comfort zone. But maybe if I actually do NQ, and I'll only see the number 1 instead of seeing the number 10 or 11 or whatever. If you know what I mean. Because I always stick in micros. Like if I know I'm trading, if I'm supposed to be trading 1 mini, I'm still going to do 10 micros. Okay, is my strategy enabled? It is. What's going on? Why is it not taking trades? Wow, what a shame. The long was a loser. The long was a loser and the short was a loser. 2 trades. Not having a good day. How much am I down on? Oh, it's true. I thought I wasn't down on anything. I'm down 340 on, oh, it's true. You guys don't see it. The algo is down 340 on 1 Apex account. I'm allocating 1 Apex account to my algo. Let's see how it does. And of course, I will repeat. I missed Friday. Friday was a huge day for the algo. And I missed it because of the dentist. I got a long trade. Did I just lose on my last long trade? It is at 08. I got to get a better price than 08. Come on, come down. 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. Trade's done. Missed it. Trade's done. Missed it. Didn't get a better price. Crazy, crazy. Now I'm really done. Cool. That was a cool long. Time to eat. Have a good supper. See ya. Talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. Maybe I can take a small trade here. Is there anything that I can take? Oh, shit. Yes, there's a long here. Come on, fill me. Give me a chance. I was a little late. Don't go back up. Fill me first. Shit, damn. Microsecond. There we go. They both filled. Oh, you gotta wait. Whoever that is, you gotta wait. I'm busy. Don't go lower right away. This is going to be, again, an expensive trade. I want to get out. I want to get some out. I want to get some out. There we go. Now, a little higher, a little higher, a little higher, and just get out of this trade because why? Because I didn't trade it well. And if I didn't trade it well, I have to get out of it. However, the official entry is up here at the top of this candle. So I think I was just afraid to lose. That's not good. That's not a way to trade. Topstep is long at 15. 14. I got long at 13.50. A little bit better. Only a 3 lot. That sucks. Should have been a 5 or a 6 lot. Let me see if I can get 50 bucks out of this trade. 30. Okay. I took the 30. I'm such a loser. Come on, come back down. Let me get back. Let me get back in under 13 before you. It's too late. It's too late. And it's at 29 already. One day I'll learn how to hold better. I can go long if we can trade down to 13, same place where I entered last time. Hmm. Oh, kind of trading sideways at the Asian session lows. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, we still haven't gotten up to previous day's low and the London session highs, which I do think is going to be a target. But I'm not going to make decisions on that thought because I don't trade what I think. I really have to fix my Did you roll on him or step on him? Oh, I did it yesterday also, or 2 days ago. Yeah. Ah, your door opened. Yeah, when I did it, he hissed at me like an outdoor cat, you know, a really angry outdoor cat. Mm, yeah, I guess it hurts. Mm. Well, I think I'll take one more trade, and then I'll call it a day. It was a day of poor executions. I got to work on that. I think it's focus. It's really focus. I said that last time also. It all comes down to focus. I'm pulling my focus away at times when I shouldn't be. And I'm missing trades. So what happens is I miss my entry, and then I get pissed that I miss my entry, so I enter in late at a worse price, and I don't want to be in a worse price. So I get out right away, and then the thing runs. That's pretty much been, I won't say the story of the day, but the story of the past couple of days. I have to fix it. I have to be more focused. Really just watching the charts, not looking at other stuff. That'll help a lot. I said one more trade, but oh, see, picked up my phone. Shouldn't have. Put it back down. Asia session high lows are showing to be a little bit of a problem right now. We look on the 15-minute chart. You can see it. We broke it, but then went back up. Got snagged on the previous day's low, wasn't able to close above it, and then we sold off. So I assume we're going to see the same kind of resistance at these levels right here. Hmm. Forgot to turn my mic back on. Ooh, see, it's another poor entry. Let me do 4. Even doing a 4 lot is, I'm 4 points where I shouldn't be. So, and now the trade is going against me. So I want to reduce risk. I want to reduce risk because I'm supposed to add on the next bearish candle anyways. And we look like we're selling. Oops, sell limit. We're coming back into initial balance. Okay, well, this will be an expensive trade if it loses, which it looks like it will. Kind of similar to the other one. Come on, pop up. Just one pop. That's all I'm asking. One pop. Just 30 buyers to come in the market at the same time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 buyers. Nope. Gotta get out. Gave back most of my day's gains. Are we going to break those swing lows on the 1 minute? Going to go touch VWAP again, maybe? Could be, could be. Let me just check in on the algo. The algo's far from taking a trade. Okay, well, the algo would have been the next trade. I'm disabling it. That's it for the algo for today, and I think that's it for me for today. I got to get ready. Gonna go for a coffee, have a relaxing afternoon, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. No co-stream tonight at 7 p.m. Joker's busy, so tomorrow morning, 9:15, we'll be streaming. Take care, guys.